Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain the 9 useful functions in Microsoft Excel. Sum function. The sum function Averageif. In this example, I calculate the total mark of the student using the sum function. Example, click on the sum function, select on the mark of all subjects, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Actually, the shortcut key of the sum function is Alt plus equal. Select all table. Press Alt plus equal. You can use the shortcut key auto sum is Alt plus H plus U plus S. Select all table. Press Alt plus H plus U plus S. Sumif function. What is the sumif function? The sumif function in Excel allows you to calculate the sum of values that meet a specific criteria or condition you define, meaning that calculate the sum with one condition. Example, click on the sumif function. Rank, the rank of cell that you want to check for your criteria. Select all item name, comma. Criteria, meaning that use only one condition. I calculate all quantity of pen, so click on pen, comma. Sum underscore rank, meaning that select all the number that you want to add. Select all quantity number, close parenthesis, and press enter. Total book equal. Click on the sumif function. Select all item name, comma. Click on book, comma. Select all quantity number, close parenthesis, and press enter. Total pen solve. Close parenthesis, and press enter. Now use the sum function to calculate the total. Close parenthesis, and press enter. What is the sumif with f function? The sumif with f function calculates the sum of a rank based on one or more true or false conditions. This means that calculate the sum with multiple conditions. Example, click on the sumif with f function. Sum underscore rank. This means that select all the number that you want to calculate the sum. Select all the number of the product sold, comma. Criteria underscore rank 1. This means that select all the cells that you want to calculate the sum in the first condition. Select all the name of the salesperson, comma. Criteria 1. This means that using the first condition. Click on Sarah, comma. Criteria underscore rank 2. This means that select all the cells that you want to calculate the sum in the second condition. Select all the name of item, comma. Criteria 2. This means that using the second condition. Click on book, close parenthesis, and press enter. John. I want to create a drop-down list. Click on John. Click on Data. Click on Data Validation. Click on List. Click on Source. Select on John and Sarah. And click OK. Create drop-down list in the name of item. Average function. The average function calculates the average values of the number. In the example, I calculate the average mark of the student using the average function. If false, click on the average function, select on the mark of false object, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Actually, the shortcut key of the average function is Alt plus H plus U plus A. Select all table. Press Alt plus H plus U plus A. What is the average function? The average function in Excel calculates the average of the range of cell based on a specific condition. Therefore, click on the average function. Range meaning that select all the cells including number or name. Select all the year, comma. Criteria meaning that choose a condition. Click on 2022, comma. Average underscore range meaning that select all the number that you want to calculate the average. Select all the total cell, close parenthesis, and press enter. 2023, 2022. I calculate the average of the item name. Therefore, click on the average function. Select all item name, comma. Click on book, comma. Select all the total cell, close parenthesis, and press enter. Pen. Now I create the drop-down list. Click on Pen. Click on Data. Click on Data Validation. Click on List. Click on Source. Select 3 item name. And click OK. Average function. The average function in Excel calculates the average values of the numbers based on multiple conditions. In this example, I calculate the average of the product sold using the average function and using two conditions. First condition is salesperson name and second condition is item name. Click false. Click on average function. Average underscore range meaning that all the number that you want to find the average values. Select all the product sold number, comma. Criteria underscore range 1 meaning that all the information in the range of the first condition. Select all salesperson name, comma. Criteria 1 meaning that using the first condition. Click on John, comma. Criteria underscore range 2 meaning that all the information in the range of the second condition. Select all item name, comma. Criteria 2 meaning that using the second condition. Click on Pen, close parenthesis, and press enter. I want to create the drop-down list. Count function. The count function counts the number of cells that contain number. Click false. Click on the count function. Select on the mark of false object, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. No number, so the result is 3. What is the Countif function? The exact Countif function counts the cell in a range that meets a single condition. In the example, I count the mark of students that are greater than 70. Click on the Countif function. Range meaning that the cell that you want to count. Select on the mark of 5 subjects, comma. Criteria meaning that a single condition that you use to count. Both greater than 70 quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. What is the Countif with F function? The Countif with F function counts the cells based on one or multiple conditions. In the example, I use two conditions. First condition, I count the cells that have the year 2022. Second condition, I count the cells that have the product name Apple. Equal. Click on the Countif with F function. Criteria underscore rank 1, meaning that all the cells that you want to count in the first condition. Select all the cells of the year, comma, criteria 1, meaning that use the first condition, quote, equal 2022, quote, comma, criteria underscore rank 2, meaning that all the cells that you want to count in the second condition. Select all the cells of the fruit name, comma, criteria 2, meaning that use the second condition, quote, apple, quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video.